Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am TJ Cuesta, your lead flight attendant. On behalf of Philippine Airlines and our crew, a warm welcome aboard Flight PR898, non-stop service to Singapore. Our flight time is approximately 3 hours and 10 minutes. Thank you for choosing to fly with us. Please ensure your seatbelt is securely fastened, your seat back is upright, and your tables are stood. All carry-on baggage must be placed under the seat in front or in the overhead compartments. Please turn all electronic devices to airplane mode or power them off. For your safety, please give our crew your full attention as we perform the mandatory safety demonstration. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we have reached our cruising altitude. We will soon begin our dinner service. Please remain seated with your seatbelt is fastened when the sign is illuminated or whenever you are not using the lavatory. This is your safety. Thank you. We have now begun our final descent into Singapore. Please ensure your seatbelt is securely fastened. All seat backs and tray tables must be returned to their stowed positions. Please also power off any large electronic devices. Our crew will be through the cabin for a final check. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Singapore. The local time is 1125. Please remain seated until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please use caution when opening the overhead bins. Thank you for flying with Philippine Airlines. We look forward to welcome you aboard again soon. Have a wonderful stay or a pleasant onward journey. Goodbye.